There is a very big question mark in our mind that what is the meaning of the square of a number? For many years we learned to solve the square solutions, but the teachers never explained what is that and why we need it. So today we want to explain and make it clear for you. We are sure you will be surprised after watch this video. Let's see what is the meaning of x power 2. Let's start with number 1. 1 power 2 is equal to 1. Look at this table. In this table, you can see one green square. Now, let's calculate this. 2 power 2 is equal to 4. And 4 is equal to 1 plus 3. In this table, you can see one green square plus 3 yellow squares. This is the result of 2 power 2. Next slide will be more funny. And now, 3 power 2 is equal to 9. And 9 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5. As you remember from previous slide, 2 power 2 was equal to 4 and 4 was equal to 1 plus 3. And now, as you see, 3 power 2 is equal to 9 and 9 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5. Look at the table again. I think you got what's going on. Look at this. 4 power 2 is equal to 16. And 16 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Look at the table. What do you think? Yes, that's right. It seems that 4 power 2 is equal to 3 power 2 plus 5. Let's check it more. We continue with 5 power 2. 5 power 2 is equal to 25. And 25 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Wow, seems it is correct again. 5 power 2 is equal to 4 power 2 plus 9. We need to test this hypothesis with more tests. 6 power 2 is equal to 36. And 36 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. So probably we can write 6 power 2 is equal to 5 power 2 plus 11. And that looks correct. It seems like each time we go to the bigger number, the next odd number will add to the square result of the previous number, isn't it? 7 power 2 is equal to 49. 49 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Oh my god, that's right! 7 power 2 is equal to 6 power 2 plus 13. Let's try it with other view. We remember from last, 7 power 2 is equal to 49. And we remember that 49 was equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Next odd number after 13 is 15. Then it should be right. 8 power 2 is equal to 7 power 2 plus 15. Then 8 power 2 is equal to 49 plus 15 is equal to 64. Look, it works. Now we can test it with bigger numbers. 9 power 2 is equal to 8 power 2 plus 17. Then 9 power 2 is equal to 64 plus 17 is equal to 81. Right, correct. And also 10 power 2 is equal to 9 power 2 plus 19. Then 10 power 2 is equal to 81 plus 19 is 100. Right. Until now, we found that yes, this is right. Okay, so what? Where and how is this discovery supposed to be useful for us? Of course, there is a very big and helpful mystery in this discovery. You will find that now. Look at here carefully. 4 power 2 is equal to 3 power 2 plus 7 is equal to 16. There is a relationship between these two numbers that repeats itself in all equations, exactly like a fixed pattern. This pattern, 4 times 2 minus 1 is equal to 7. We converted this pattern to a formula like this. X power 2 is equal to x minus 1 power 2 plus 2x minus 1. Let's test our formula with 11. Then we put x is equal to 11. Then we have 11 power 2 is equal to 10 power 2 plus 2 times 11 minus 1. So 11 power 2 is equal to 100 plus 21 is 121. And it is exactly correct. Okay, this is the fixed and approved formula for square calculation. X power 2 is equal to x minus 1 power 2 plus 2x minus 1. Then, what is the usage of this? In many cases, we know that for big numbers, it will be really long and difficult to calculate square of a 3 or 4 digit numbers. Then, this will help us to find the answer very fast. For example, look at this. We know the answer of 50 power 2 is equal to 2500. But what is the answer of 51 power 2? According to our formula, 51 power 2 is equal to 50 power 2 plus 2 times 51 minus 1 is equal to 2500 plus 102 minus 1. So 51 power 2 is equal to 2601. It was really easy and fast, right? Now, watch the next slides to find out how we can use this opportunity as a very useful method. There is a few shortcuts and tips to calculate the square of some numbers. If you remember, in one of our previous videos, we fully explained how to calculate the square of two-digit numbers in less than 10 seconds. We will put the link of that video at the top of this page and you can watch that if you need. Now, in this part, we want to show you that it is not necessary to calculate the square of all numbers, because sometimes we can use a special method to calculate the square of some numbers easier and faster than you imagine. Pay attention to these items, please. When you have a two-digit number, first of all, look at the right digit and see what number is it. If the right number is 0, then follow this trick. Per every 0 you see on the right side, write 2 zeros in this section. Then we raise the left number to the power of 2 and write the answer on the left line. Let's calculate some other numbers in the same way. 40 power 2, 60 power 2, 70 power 2, and 90 power 2. Now, as you remember, for the first step, we draw two lines. On the right lines, we put 2 zeros. And now, on the left lines, we put the power of the left digit of each number. For example, for the first one, we have 4. 4 power 2 is 16. 6 power 2 is 36. 7 power 2 is 49. And 9 power 2 is 81. Very easy, right? Now you learned how to calculate the square of any two-digit numbers with right zero in less than 5 seconds. Then we want to explain how you can calculate the square of two-digit numbers that included number 1 in the right digit. Let's start with the smallest two-digit number with 1 in the unit parts. 11 power 2. This type of numbers can be solved in less than 5 seconds within 3 simple steps. First, draw 3 lines like below and follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Write 1 on the right line. Step 2. Write the result of left digit times 2 on the middle line. And the last step, write the square of left digit on the left line. That's all.